In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as psycholinguistics. In psycholinguistics, I told you about behaviorist theory. According to behaviorist theory, human beings learn from environment and behavior as well. Whatever environment and behavior are adopted to human beings imitate and adopt the same behavior. Today, I'm going to teach you the experiment of Thorndike or Edward Thorndike related to behaviorist theory. Thorndike conducted an experiment on a cat. Actually, at the first stage, there was a box which was known as puzzle box or test box. And there was the door as well. Outside the door, Thorndike placed the food. So now, the cat at the initial stage, it were just scraping and biting as well as pawing, but were not able to open the door in order to get the food. But the cat repeated this activity and practice again and again. When the cat got tired that by doing this and that, scraping, biting, and pawing, that cat couldn't receive anything. So then the cat actually pulled the string, or the cat would actually stepped the string. So when the cat stepped the string or pedal, the door would open and the cat could easily approach the food. So from when the cat was doing a wrong action, incorrect way, it was following, so there was no food, because at the initial stage it was just scratching. It would scratch the thing here and there. It would like bite the thing here and there. But when the cat started the correct way, the correct action, that was to, for example, to pull the string or to step on the pedal, then the door would open and the cat would approach to the food. So from this, he deduced a lesson. From this experiment, Thorndike deduced a lesson, and the lesson is that whenever the cat, for example, did incorrect action, the cat received nothing. But when the cat came to the correct action, the cat received the food daily. So the cat then repeated that practice every day and would receive the food. So in this experiment, there is also a lesson from us which is derived by Thorndike. And the lesson is that human beings also learns from behavior, from reward. Even sometimes human being learns from their mistakes. At the initial stage, the cat made a lot of mistakes and error. But when it received nothing, then at the ending, God's success will not repeat the behavior which was incorrect. Then the cat would repeat the correct behavior. So human being also learns from their mistakes. Similarly, we also learn them practice, that without practice you can receive nothing. The cat practiced again and again, and then because of that practice, the cat received food, and it found out the correct way. So same is the case for us. For an activity, when we are getting practice and repeat that activity, definitely there will be result. And the last lesson from this experiment is that whenever we are doing any task, we can't receive that task or that thing at once. We have to bear patience. We have to make practice. And sometimes human beings also learns from their errors and mistakes. And another point I will here add is that which we derive from this experiment. And the lesson is that human beings' behavior and human beings, for example, consequences also shape the behavior of another human beings. So, whenever human beings come to know that this behavior is accepted in the society, another human being also imitates the same behavior and repeats. And human being learns from reward and award. Whenever a human being seeing an action that is appreciated and because of reward, because of award, so human beings repeat that. In the name of